Learned this from a restaurant owner. Now I only want to boil chicken in water. Here I'll use chicken wings and remove the bottom part. Next, pierce the chicken with a fork. Then add everything to a pan with boiling water. After about 5 minutes, remove and set aside. In a bowl, add some soy sauce, ketchup, and mustard. Also add a little honey. Mix all of this together really well. Now in another pan, add some oil. Add the chicken. Season with salt and sweet paprika. Once the chicken is fried, add the mixture we made earlier. Let it cook until well combined. When it starts to reduce, remove from heat and enjoy. Look how amazing these chicken wings turned out. Make this at home. Everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Sending you a big hug. Until next time. Thanks for watching.